Hi, I'm Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm excited to show you our newest product, our adjustable shower arm. Now, there's a lot of these on the market, but we've spent years, 2 years plus, making this exact product to resolve all the issues that are inherent in these adjustable shower arms, like the gears not being strong enough and being able to hold the weight over time, and just general durability. So come over here, I'll show you. This is our 12-inch adjustable shower arm. We have our 14-inch adjustable shower arm, and this is a leading competitor's product. And I want to show you what I mean, right? So any of you who have bought a product like this before, there's these gears that tighten down and lock, right? This is on the competitor's product. They're so small, they're not able to maintain their strength over time. If you look at ours, look at how big and deep these gears are. We're calling them shark teeth because they bite and they don't let go, okay? So this is a game changer. You can put more weight on your shower heads and be confident that they'll hold. You can see this is on the 12-inch model. When you loosen up the locking mechanism, you turn it outwards. You actually get it about an inch on each side extra when it's facing outwards. So 12 inches is more like 14 inches of extension. Okay, and you can see on ours, we have these hex, these like cross handles that can really help you get leverage and tighten them down. Where a lot of the products on the market use these wing nuts that are kind of flimsy, and they don't give you that much leverage for tightening down. So you can see, even if I tighten this one down all the way, I can still, with enough pressure, move this nut, and in time it'll wear out. On this, there's no way humanly possible that I'm getting this piece to move, right? So what I want to show you is we're actually going to do a weight test, a weight challenge, right? So here I have a bucket, and I'm going to fill it up with some water, going to throw it on a scale, measure the weight, and then compare how much weight this can hold versus the leading competitor's product. So I'll go ahead and get this installed first, the competitor's product. We'll put some water in the bucket and see how much weight this thing can hold. All right, so we have 8.3 pounds in weight in this bucket. It's water. Here's a leading brand. So when you put it on the very fringes of that shower head, arm, right? It just can't hold up, and now we've lost the gears. We've lost the locking gears. So again, I'll try and tighten this thing down again. It's done. Done. Okay. Now let's try the shark teeth by HammerHead Showers. Okay, so round 2 with the HammerHead Showers product. Again, 8.3 pounds. Got the bucket with water in it. Shark teeth. Look at this. Even when I put pressure on it, look at this thing. It's not going anywhere. You don't believe me? Let's put some more water in it. Here we go. We increased the weight. We got 14.5 pounds. Lots more water in this thing. Let's check out shark teeth. Just balancing it here. Look at that. This thing is not going anywhere. Now you may be asking yourself, all right, so it's great, but what the heck am I going to attach to a shower arm that's going to be 14.5 pounds? You're not, right? Even our most heavy-duty shower heads are probably like 5 pounds max. but it's the wear and tear over time, constantly adjusting this part up and down and up and down, and then the weight just supporting there. So we have to do the shock and awe test to show you that it can withstand brute torque, force, whatever you want to call it. So this thing isn't going to drop down and, you know, ruin your day. So there you have it, HammerHead showers, shark teeth, adjustable shower arm, available in the 12-inch shower arm and in the 16-inch adjustable shower arm. I'm Justin Ball, signing out for now, the HammerHead guy.